Alright, I'm gonna do a bike check. This is Mikey. Alright, starting up front. I got the Haro handlebars. I don't know what type they are. I got them off a friend for free. Got animal grips. Animal jump off stem. Odyssey director forks. Fly Reuben Ligera tire. 20 times 2.25. Odyssey hazard light rim laced up to a Vandero. Got a fit back frame. It cracked, but I re-welded it and put a gusset. Empire sticker, animal seat with the animal wedge post. Profile cranks, Stephen Hamilton pedals in gold, sealed. That's a tree light sprocket, spline drive. KMC gold chain. Fly Reuben Ligera tire, 20 times 2.15. Odyssey hazard light, laced up to a G Sport ratchet hub with Shadow Conspiracy spokes. Empire sticker, Miami sticker, and that's my bike.